Hey everybody! I'm here today to talk to you about a Fujifilm Instax camera that is not taking pictures properly or not taking pictures at all. I'll be going over some easy fixes and showing you and telling you exactly how you can fix this problem. So if you're a Fujifilm Instax instant camera just like this is the Mini 11. This is the Instax Mini 11. But if it's this one or any other type of instant camera by Fujifilm, if it's not taking pictures, you can try these 4 things. Hopefully one of them works for you. I'm going to keep it short and sweet, so let's get into this video. Number 1 is to replace the batteries. Even if you think that your batteries are good, you should be replacing the batteries, okay? And that's because you're going to get a low battery warning and you're going to start seeing some sort of warning signs. But, you know, if it's not taking pictures, maybe the batteries are low enough to not allow it to take pictures, but not low enough to give you the low battery warning. So essentially replace the batteries with good quality fresh batteries, and hopefully that fixes the problem. If not, you move on to number 2, which is to inspect the door of the camera. Now, you don't want to open this door, and I'll tell you why, okay? Excuse me, I'm sorry. I have a little bit of gas in my stomach, and, you know, I feel like I need to belch, and I feel like I need to let the other form of gas out, so sorry. I don't know if you noticed, but I just did it discreetly, okay? And I know I just ratted myself out, but I had to tell you, because in case you noticed my face going a little bit weird there. I literally, the number of times that I've farted in videos discreetly that nobody has noticed is like, I've probably let out over hundreds of farts in my videos. And I figured, you know what? I've done this long enough that I feel like I could just be honest with you and just tell you that I just farted, okay? Anyways, number 2 is to inspect the door, but don't open it. If this, I can't believe I just said that, but we're just going to roll with it, okay? If the door is not pressed in properly, it's going to cause it to not be able to take pictures. You might even get a flashing light that's an error over here where it's flashing very, very quickly, okay? So you don't want to open this door, because if you open this and there's film inside, there's no film in here, but if you open this and there's an open used film cartridge in there, then you're going to ruin the rest of the pictures that you can take, okay? But what you can do is just essentially rub your fingers along this and make sure it's closed and make sure it's nice and flush. If it's not closed, hopefully you can close it without opening that door. If you open that door, there's a good chance that you're going to ruin the rest of your pictures. But, you know, and let's just say that your camera isn't taking pictures at all and there's only 1 or 2 pictures left in that cartridge, then maybe it's worth it to open the door and see what's going on and just waste the 1 or 2 pictures and use a new film cartridge the next time. But definitely look at the door and see if you can press it down even more, okay? That rhymes. Look at the door, see if you can press it down even more, okay? Number 3, your lens is potentially not fully extended. So as you can see right here, it's fully extended. If your lens is like this, it's not going to allow it to take the picture, or the picture will turn out really weirdly, okay? So if it's like this, you want to see what's causing it to not be extended all the way. Maybe there's something sticky caught along there. Maybe it just needs a little bit of pressure. Or let's say your lens is like this, it's not even on, right? It's not sensing that it's on, so it's not going to allow it to take the picture. So look at the lens and just try and sort of press this button a little bit harder. Maybe move the lens in and out a couple times, see if that works. You're going to want to try that out, okay? You want your lens to be fully extended and you want that light to be solid like that, okay? Lastly is number 4, and that's if it's not taking good pictures. So you might be too close to the subject. Now here's the thing. You might be too far away from the subject, but it's most likely that you're going to be too close to the subject. These cameras are not meant to take pictures super close to subjects. The closest that you can get is when you turn on selfie mode. That's going to allow you to get a little bit closer with the focus, but even so, you need to be about 1 foot away minimum from the subject when you're doing that. If you are like 6 inches away from the subject and your pictures aren't turning out, that's the reason why. You're just too close. And that's it. So if your Fujifilm Instax instant camera is not taking pictures properly or not taking pictures at all, those are 4 easy fixes that you can try out to hopefully help you get it working once again. And that's truly it. If you like this video tutorial / explanation / demonstration, please be sure to give it a nice big thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below. Sorry, let me just try that again. I figured that, you know, I should recap all of the things that I said because I was going a little bit fast and I went off on a tangent when I talked about the fart and stuff like that. So number 1 is replace the batteries. That could be one of the fixes. Number 2 is check if the back door that holds the film cartridge in place. Check if it's nice and securely shut, okay? Number 3 is look at the lens. Is the lens extended fully or is it stuck in between? And number 4 is move a little bit further away from the subject. That should hopefully get your focus back in order. If your camera's not taking good quality, focused, clear pictures. And that is truly it. If you like this video tutorial / explanation / demonstration, that's a mouthful, please be sure to give it a nice big healthy thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.